Hey everybody, welcome back. We're still in July, which means more feed a camp host month, and I've been pretty well fed this month so far. This is the 12th of July, but look, I had some people today bring me Coca-Cola, and I can't remember what you called it, Qualiche or something. It's like a shoe. It's a tortilla with meat and cheese and lettuce and sour cream. They also gave me some cheese quesadillas yesterday with some sauce on it, homemade sauce, really, really good. And then this was last night, so I was going to have it tonight, but now that I've got fresh, this is another family brought me some enchiladas with beans. Those are really good too. And but that was last night's dinner. After I had the torta, after we had the torta, we had the enchilada, and then another family brought me this today. Oh, this was the best part. Look at here. There are, so heavy I can hardly pick it up. Blueberry muffins the size of your hands, cookies and danishes. They own a bakery down in Las Vegas somewhere. The people that are here this week, they're here for a whole week. They're down here in this class A, that's them. They got a big family group coming in, 3 more vehicles coming in tomorrow, 4 are already here, and they're going to be here all week. So he did tell me when he came in and said, "Oh, we're back. We'll bring you tacos." I said, "Bring them on." We like tacos, don't we? But that's it. We're going to eat this Quartzsite. Please forgive me if I say it wrong. But and work on that maybe tomorrow. I don't see cookies tonight. We already had a cookie, didn't we? He knows the word cookie. Cookie? Hmm? So let's get to eating. Well, it's dinner time. What do you think we got tonight? One tired pup. But look at here, my neighbors brought me over. No, they didn't bring me over weed eating line. That's already been here. But look here. Oh, and I looked inside. They look, ooh, that is some good. And it's got sausage and some steak. Looks some good looking stuff. And this one is just no sausage, but it has steak in it. So we're going to chow down. And then we'll even have some leftovers. Somebody's waiting for some meat. And look down there, look at all the puddle. All the drool. You ready for some more meat? Isn't he cute? He said, "Just feed me." And here's some things that I look out for whenever I'm cleaning up a campsite. People try to burn. Yep. That was in somebody's campsite. They're getting ready to burn it. Nope. Whole tree. Dead. At least it was dead and broken down, so it wasn't cut. But yeah, the whole tree was laying beside the fire ring, ready to ignite. It's gonna be a lovely day today, though. Chance of rain. Light clouds coming in. Blue sky around, so we'll see what happens. We definitely need the rain because we are in a drought situation and everything's drying up. But the flowers are looking nice though. These are hardy, drought-resistant flowers. You know, someone made a comment in my Feed the Camp Host month about what, no steak and things? Well, here is that. Somebody brought me a steak, curry chicken, some yellow rice, and a mixed salad. And over there is some grapes and a piece of pineapple. So we're going to chow down on this tonight. Zen's already had a piece of chicken. That's why a piece of it's missing. Didn't you? Was it good? Yep, swallow the whole thing whole. And last night I had from the neighbors menudo. The first time I ever had menudo. And let me tell you, it was really, really good. Cooked really well. The spices were just right. But the texture of the calf intestine was a little bit chewy, so it wasn't bad, but it just a little bit awkward. It's like eating liver. Like, if you ever had like chicken livers or calf livers, you chew, and it's just, that's the way this the meat was inside the soup, was pretty chewy, but it was good though. I enjoyed it. Had it with some bread. Had it with my family over there, my new family. They invited me over for, and Zen over for menudo. And now he wants his steak. So let's get eating. Right? I'm going to take Zen for a little short walk around the lake, or near the lake, and see. Word of the bus. I called today, which is Monday. It's 12:45, and the lady said, let me check with the mechanic and we'll call you right back. Well, it's now 6 o'clock, no phone calls. So I guess I'll try tomorrow. I've got a couple people wanting to offer to take me down to Cedar City. One's a subscriber is here in the camp with me. He was here last year, met him last year, and he's here this year, and offered to take me to Cedar City to pick up my bus if I need to, and the other camp host offered again on another day. So I got 2 this week if the bus gets ready. And I was going to talk about campsite number 27 in my last video. I forgot to do it. Since we're here, there's 27. And just a couple things. It was really nice a couple weekends ago. We had people here, a couple families, and they were using it. I mean, they had a lot of people. They had a grill set up right here on this point, and they had a table over there, and they had 2 tents back there. So they're actually using it as a picnic area again, where before you couldn't, because there wasn't a picnic, there wasn't a table, there wasn't a tent site that was flat, and this whole area here was not here, so they couldn't use that. And then after they left, after about 3 days, another group came in, probably 15, 20, and they were here just for the evening. And totally different story. They wound up taking out about 8 of these rocks and throwing them all over the beach down here. They're up in the fire ring, took out some of those rocks. So I spent the next day rebuilding and put it back together. But yeah, some people just, I mean, they don't quite understand that why it's there. But we got it rebuilt, and it's nice. We got all these flowers. These are yarrows. These little white ones, they're just a weed, but they're a yarrow. And the yellow ones are all over this year. There's just a lot of those yellow flowers. They're in the daisy family. I think they're, I forget what they're called, some kind of root, but they're in the daisy family. They're little, but they're everywhere this year. Really good crop of them. So let's walk down to the lake and see what's going on. We had a couple tiny, you can see the tracks here, rain showers, the sprinkles. Need a lot more because it is dry as a bone out here. Well, if I can get Zen to move, he's got his nose planted to the ground. And here we go. He's moving. Let's go see what's that going on at the water edge. I have no news of the bus, like I mentioned. I called, no message back. I'll wait till tomorrow and call them again. And maybe they'll tell me, oh, it's finished. We'll see. Hopefully, it's going on 4 weeks now for the part to be shipped. And they said a week and a half, and we're still stretching that out. But we've been busy. I've been busy here at the campground. A lot of stuff going on, a lot of people in and out this July so far. But right now there's, I see 3 people on the lake, and that is it all the way through. Just 3 people. The lake's going down and getting lower and lower every day. So we're gonna just walk around. Zen's got to sniff some rocks. That rock passed. Yep, it passed inspection. But that's about all I got right now. So I think we'll just say thanks everybody for watching. We're going to end this video, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of trash that's here and there, and Zen's getting a cool drink of water.